Okay, so this is how we use a scientific calculator to work out the powers or indices. So make sure you know how to use this for your exam to check your answers on the exam, because there's no back of book Bob answers on the back of your exam. Okay, so in your calculator, turn your calculator on, top right button. Okay, so in example 1, we wanted to work out 7 squared minus 6 squared. So what you do is 7. Okay, so you see here that there's a squared button, so you can press that. So immediately that's 7 squared. And then you take away 6 squared, so squared button, and then you press equal, and then 13. And that's the same answer we got for part A, example A. Example B was looking at, we have 2 times 3 cubed. So see, that was x squared, and then over here we have x to the 3, so you want that x cubed, and then we had plus, so plus 10 squared, and it was minus 4 squared, so minus 4 squared, and you go equals, and then 138, good, that's what we got for B. So far so good, we did our mental arithmetic correctly. And then lastly, C, we had bracket 2, it was 2 squared, so 2 squared minus, so take away 1. Now we don't have a power of 7, so we only have this as squared and cubed, but that's okay, because right next to the squared you see this X box button, so that's to the power 2 button, so you press the box and it comes up with a box there. You want to type in whatever number power you have, so we want power of 7. Okay, so you see how we've got 1 to the power of 7. Okay, so see the indicators just right next to 7, we want to put a bracket at the end of that. If you just press bracket now, the bracket appears in the power, which is not what we want. We want the bracket at the end of 1 to the power of 7. So delete that bracket that we typed in. Use the oval arrow button to go right across arrow. And then now you have the flashy indicator at the end of your line. And you want to press bracket to get the full bracket. And then we want to multiply by 5. Squared. Look, if you don't want to press the square button, you can also press the X to the box, X to the power button, and you can type in 2 instead, because 2 means squared, and that's it. And you press equals 75. Beautiful, because that's what we got to for that example part C. So that's how you do powers on your scientific calculator.